Amplify Science, Plate Motion, Chapter 2, Lesson 2.3, Explaining Plate-Mantle Interactions. So this lesson only has 3 parts. As with the typical routine, begins with a warm-up, single question response after looking at the memo. Then we move on to the second reading of Listening to Earth. And this time we're hunting for information. This isn't a start to finish read through. There are 3 questions here that we're looking for. So this is where you make use of those skills where you're skimming, you're using section headings to locate and narrow in on information, then pulling that information out of the article. There's a handout that goes with this. And the idea behind rereading the article is you're going to identify features of the convergent and divergent boundaries, the differences between those, because you're going to construct a model in part 3, and that information will help you construct the model. So once you've completed that and saved and moved on to the next screen to examine your understanding of the 2 model types, you're then moving on to the actual physical model. You'll be using towels and chairs, and they want to know what each part of that model represents. And there's an image there of what you would start with, but you don't just build the picture and then stop. Your job is to make the model actually operate by using the information you got in the previous section. And then when you're finished with that, they want you to explain what it was your model was creating. And they give you some words to use in your answer to help. And then you hand that in, and that completes lesson 2.3.